everybody, it's Brent, Central Arkansas. What you're looking at here is what I call my grow room. It's just an extension of my shed. If you've been watching my channel, you've seen it many times. Anyway, it's got this plastic type cover on it. It's a polycarbonate, I believe is what it is. And what I need to do to prepare for winter, it's a nice wet cold day, is I need to insulate this a bit more. Now when I initially put this in, I knew that, and I put plastic on the inside, and that wasn't very helpful for what I'm wanting to do. But I also know that when I took it down, that it wasn't as easy to heat. So at night I would cover it with what's called Lowe's Dow board, foam board, and that was to keep the freezing temperatures at night during the winter at bay and reduce costs for heating. But this year what I'm going to do is I'm going to put plastic on the outside, and you'll see that it's kind of, I guess you'd call it corrugated, we'll call it corrugated anyway. So when the plastic is over, it'll create a barrier, and each one of these will have a little bit of space. So that should ideally allow me to keep the sun transmission or daylight transmission when there's no sun like today, and also help keep the inside warm for winter growing. So on Amazon I bought this little bit of cover here. You can see it's 12 by 25. I'm not sure how much it was. It was pretty inexpensive. And then I went to Lowe's and I got furring strips. And I'm just going to stretch that over the polycarbonate and tack it down with some screws. Got the plastic kind of stretched out to wrap the furring strip. Plastic looks pretty clear right now. That'll change in a season. It'll get dull. I wish it would stay clear. Anyway, that is I used to call it the heated greenhouse. Then it changed to the winter grow room, or winter greenhouse, then a winter grow room. So that's kind of what it is now, winter grow room. I got a furring strip there, so it'll start here and the plastic will go around and to the front. You can see the plastic is underneath the furring strip here. It's clamped with screws. These are deck screws. I've got some plastic that I'm going to wrap back around here and staple. But I did it here, and I did it up there and down here. I also did it over here in this edge here, and you can see I've already wrapped it over, because this is untreated wood, and just stapled it. That'll help kind of keep it from decaying too quickly. And I may just keep it on during the winter. I may keep it on during the summer too, but it should go for at least 2 seasons as is. The plastic will go for 4 or more. But yeah, it's pretty cheap insurance. It may save me the cost of the materials plus in heating inside there. So we've got the plastic up. It's nice and sealed, creating a little bit of barrier for more insulation, more insulative, is that a word? Value, R value. Let's go inside and see what it looks like. Still getting a good bit of light in here, so I think it's going to be worth it. I had to put shade cloth up before to keep the heat out during the summer, but anyway, I'm hoping this will help with both heating and air conditioning. And yeah, I got a good bit of light coming in here. You notice here that the water culture, L-shaped water culture bed is now gone, and I've got a new project coming I will share with you soon. I've got bits and pieces to microgreens here. That'll start again really soon. And of course I've got my lighting still up, and the fan is barely circulating the air in here. It's nice and toasty warm, near 80 degrees. So this is going to be the tools and stuff. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit more, but you get the picture. More coming. It's Brent, you guys. See you later.